Good afternoon and happy 4th of July. My name is Michael, and this is my brother Ian. And on today's show, we're going to reenact the Revolutionary War
with a sniper rifle
and 2 beer cans. Shooting for the British is going to be me, drinking the High Life and wearing the red shirt. Today I'll be, shut up. I'll be shooting for the Jenny beer. Now you talk.
Drinking lemonade in the shade, I'll be shooting for the Americans. Shooting for the blue.
For the blue. Well, it's the long-awaited moment where we shoot the gun. Are you ready to shoot?
Yes.
Okay, he's ready. Are you ready? Let's go. Don't shoot yet.
Okay.
Let's go. So that's 3 shots and 3 misses from this kid. Can't win them all, or hit them all either. So now it's my turn, and then we'll move everything around. Yay!
Ready to go?
Nothing.
Once again, 3 shots and 3 nothings. So we're gonna move closer this time and see if we have better luck closer to the thing we're trying to hit. 2 handsome guys on a grassy knoll with some guns and some beers. What could be more normal than that? Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
One for the Americans! Sweet taste of victory.
What you just did.
God bless.
So as you can see, unequivocally, USA all the way. 4th of July. Yeah.
glass.
Yeah. British guys, they didn't even get a chance. They got 3 chances, but that was it. This is you.
This is me.
That's you. One of us got to enjoy the beer. The other, just getting another deposit. Well, at least you can bank on something. Yeah. Happy 4th of July. Don't play with fireworks. Otherwise, you're gonna get a hook hand.
Don't blow it.